This video will extend the understanding of the IBMS method, our existing manual program for startups with sustainable solutions to measure their positive effect on the environment. We will first present our existing IBMS method. Then we will present how this can be automated with artificial intelligence and large language models for startups to do this themselves without our manual program. It's a logical and simple process, step by step. How do you do this? I'll give you a startup example. Bio-based package material in the retail sector. The problem is plastic packaging in the retail sector. What could the world look like in the future? A retail sector with eco-friendly packaging material. This needs many changes. One could be bio-based packing material. So what do you do then? Produce bio-based wrapping. And how do you measure the change? Tons of bio-based wrapping. We could also decrease CO2. So we use renewable energy in production and we measure it with kilos of CO2. And we could go on like this. Our project will use artificial intelligence and large language models to make it possible for startups to do this themselves without our manual advisory program. We envision a SaaS platform where they submit the problem. For instance, plastic packaging in the retail sector. They will automatically get an overview of the negative effects, the changes needed, and proposal of activities. The startup consider what they can do. Now they receive a specific proposal of product units and how they can measure that. They choose what to execute on. In the end, they get a metrics so they know exactly what they will improve and how it's quantified. In this case, producing 1,000 square meters of bio-based wrapping will reduce 0.26 tons of plastic and 3.48 kilos of CO2 emissions. This is the core in our IBMS platform and the technology we will develop with support from InnoBooster. Thanks for listening.